The through current adjustable high current. 0.01 mA high precision resistance measurement. For wide precision measurement, it is displayed directly on a touchscreen built-in printing and storage designed specifically for testing high voltage switch circuits. His selling points of a loop resistance tester. Hello everyone, let me introduce one to you next. We have an intelligent electrical limited high precision adjustable loop resistance tester. Next, let me introduce the panel of this instrument. This is our wiring area. And then there's a communication interface here. This is the ground wire. This is the 220 volt power input. This is our switch. This is the knob for current adjustment. Next, I will explain the wiring of this instrument. Here is our standard resistance of 150 volts ohms. Our two current wires are connected to the outside of the standard resistor. Two voltage wires are connected to the inside of the resistor. So let's start experimenting. Turn on the power switch. Then click on loop resistance. Then click start. After starting, we can adjust the knob to adjust the current size. Set up. Put in storage. To save the data to the device. Then click print. Click to print. Our experimental results will be printed out. Test completed.